Listen closely. Sounds like some kind of electronic music is coming from under my deck. Now I hear liquid.